In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an eye-catching YouTube intro. Let's see what we're going to create. To start, create a new composition and name it Shine Logo. I'm using 1920 by 1080 resolution at 30 frames per second, duration times seconds. Come over here, right click, go to New Solid for our background. Click here and choose any color you'd like. I'm using a dark blue to match my logo. Let's add this awesome texture to our background. You can download all these files from the description. Drag it down to our project on top of our background. Let's change the mode for this layer to divide. I'm loving this. Okay, let's add our logo. Drag it down to the top of all the other layers. Right click and pre-compose. You should always pre-compose your logos. This way you can change out your logo at any time. Be sure to move all attributes to the new composition. Now make it 3D by clicking the cube icon for this layer. Go to the effects panel and find the card wipe effect and apply it to your logo layer. We now need to change some settings. Change transition completion to 0%. Change rows to the same. And column size to 15. Now we can animate the card wipe effect. Go to 4 seconds, click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Go to the beginning and change it to 50%. Press the spacebar and preview your animation so far. Press P to open position, add a keyframe. Press R to open rotation, and place a keyframe for orientation 2. Go to the first frame, change the last value of orientation (180°). Press P to open position, change the last value to -2600. And make sure your logo isn't visible. Now we have some sweet animation going on. Select your logo layer, press U. To show all keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them. I want the logo to stop rotating once the card wipe animation ends. So go to the orientation keyframe and drag it to the left to change the rotation and timing. This is all your preference. You can change the keyframes around to your liking. Okay, we're almost done. Let's add a shine effect to our logo. Go to the effects and presets, find the CC light sweep. Double click it to apply to your logo. Now change direction to positive 82. And change sweep intensity to 50 and change width to 30. Now change direction to positive 57. With the light sweep out of the frame, place a keyframe that go to 4 seconds. And drag the light sweep across your logo like this. Ramp preview. Now press U to open your keyframes, highlight them, and press F9 to easy ease. Now we can ramp preview our video. I don't like the timing of the light sweep, so I'm going to go into the keyframes by pressing U and change the speed of the light sweep. This is your video, so you can change it however you like. Okay, I like this now. Let's bring in the sound. Go back to the project. You can download the sound in the description. Move it to the bottom of the layers. Always have your sound at the bottom of the layers. We're done. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like our content, and tune in next week, and don't forget to keep on dreaming. Bye.